innovative canopy installation. Silsden AFC, a community-centric football club, has taken a significant step in enhancing the match-day experience for its fans with the installation of a new, state-of-the-art canopy. This practical yet stylish structure provides shelter for spectators, ensuring that they can enjoy the game in comfort, come rain or shine. The canopy's robust design features a transparent roof supported by sturdy red beams, offering unobstructed views of the pitch while protecting fans from the elements. This smart design choice maintains the open-air feel of a football match while adding a layer of comfort. Beyond the immediate benefits to spectators, the canopy also boasts an eye-catching aesthetic that complements the club's colours. Its vibrant red accents not only create a dynamic visual, but also resonate with the team's spirit and identity. This attention to detail extends to the careful placement of the structure, which enhances the grounds without obstructing the view from any angle.